In this video, I will show you how you can change the email password on your iPad Air. Now doing that is very simple. If you want to change the password of your iCloud account, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Sign In and Security. Now on this page under Security, just tap on Change Password. And from here, you will be able to change the password of the iCloud account on your iPad. Just enter your lock screen PIN. Now on the next page, it will ask you to enter your new password. Now this is if you want to change the password of your iCloud account. But if you want to change the password of any other email account, like Gmail, so for that, just go to your home screen and open Safari. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open the Gmail website. And from here, just sign into your Gmail account. Now after you do that, then just tap on your profile icon over here. Select Manage your Google account. And at the left side of the screen, just select Google Password. Just enter the current password of your email address. Now after you do that, you will be asked to create a new password for your Gmail address. Now after you change the password of your email account, whether it be your iCloud account, Gmail account, or any other email account, now to update the password of the email on your iPad, now after you change the password, then go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just scroll down and tap on Mail. And from here, just tap on Mail Accounts. Then select the email account of which you have changed the password. For example, let's say if it is Gmail. Now, after you change the password of your Gmail account or any other account, it will say Update Password over here. Just tap on Update Password and then enter your new password. But if it does not say re-enter password or verify password over here, then just tap on Delete Account and select Delete. Now after you do that, you will log out of your email address from your iPad, then just tap on Add Account, select Choose from a list, and sign into your email address again from here. But this time just use your new email password. Now after you do that, you will update the password of your email on your iPad. And this is how you can change the password of your email on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.